If you want to quickly translate text in Opera GX, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate in Opera GX using the built-in tools so you can instantly understand text in another language without leaving the page. This is super helpful if you're reading articles, messages, or websites in a language you don't understand yet. And if you enjoy simple tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Opera GX and go to the page where the text you want to translate is located. It can be a website, an article, or any block of text that you can select with your mouse. Once you find the text, highlight it by clicking and dragging your cursor over the words you want to translate. As soon as you highlight the text, a small built-in Opera GX pop-up menu should appear directly above your selection. This menu is designed to give you quick actions without needing to open another tab or copy the text somewhere else. In that floating menu, look for the Google Translate icon. If you see it, simply click it, and Opera GX will start translating the selected text right away. If you don't see the icon in the pop-up menu, you can also right-click on the highlighted text and choose Google Translate from the context menu. Either method works, and both are very fast. After you click the translate option, a mini window will appear right on your screen showing the instant translation. This makes it easy to read the translated version while still keeping the original text visible. Now, when the translation appears, you can type in your preferred language to change the output language if needed. That means if you want to translate the text into English, Spanish, French, or any other supported language, you can switch it based on your preference. This is especially useful if you're working with multilingual content or just want to read things more comfortably in your native language. If the translation panel doesn't show the language you want right away, look for the language options inside the mini window and select your preferred target language there. Once you do that, Opera GX will update the translation for you, and that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can translate text inside Opera GX without installing extra tools or using a separate website. It's fast, convenient, and perfect for everyday browsing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tips and browser tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.